Good morning, children. Today we will be reading lesson number 2 from the book. But before that, let us revise dictation words of the same lesson number 2, part 1 and 2. Okay, children? All are going to repeat after me. Yes? Okay. Lesson number 2, part 1 and 2, dictation words. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. A-N-N, an. A-N-N, an. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. P-A-D, pad. P-A-D, pad. S-H-O-W, show. S-H-O-W, show. So all of you understood? Yes? Okay. Today we will be reading lesson number 2, part 3. But before that, we will learn new words of this lesson. Lesson number 2, part 3. Okay, children? Okay. Now tell me, who is she? Yes? Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Who is he? Father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Who is he? Pat. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. Who is she? Ann. A-N-N, Ann. A-N-N, Ann. What is this? Top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. What is this? Yes? Fan. Hand fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Okay. Once again, we will learn the dictation words. Okay, children? Now, you all are going to repeat after me. Yes? Okay. Lesson number 2, part 3. Dictation words. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. A-N-N, an. A-N-N, an. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. S-H-O-W, show. S-H-O-W, show. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. So children, all of you understood? Yes? Okay. Now children, let us revise the punctuations. Okay? What are these? Punctuations. Okay. Now tell me, which punctuation is this? Full stop. Full stop means the sentence has completed. Okay. This one, comma. Comma means the sentence has not completed. We are going to take a pause and again we are going to continue with the sentence. This one, question mark. Question mark means we are going to ask like a question. We are going to say like a question. Okay. So all of you understood the punctuations? Yes? Okay. Children, this is lesson number 2, part 3. Okay. Now here I am going to read the lesson. You all are going to listen to the teacher. Okay. Father has a top for Pat. Father has a fan for Anne. Father and mother show the top to Pat. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Come for the top, Pat. Come for the fan, Anne. Pat and Anne ran for the top and the fan. So children, all of you understood? Yes? Okay. Children, here teacher has written some point numbers in front of each sentence to help you to read easily. Okay. So, you are going to read the sentence from left to right. From where? From left to right. Okay. As I will put the dot, you have to keep your finger and you have to read the sentence. Okay, children? Okay. So, now we will start reading the lesson. Okay. So, lesson number 2, part 3. Now, move your finger to point number 1. And here, we are not going to say point number. We are going to read directly the sentence. Okay, children? Okay. Now, point number 1. Father has a top for Pat. Now move your finger to point number 2. Father has a fan for Anne. Now move your finger to point number 3. Father and mother show the top to Pat. Now move your finger to point number 4. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Now move your finger to point number 5. Come for the top, Pat. Now move your finger to point number 6. Come for the fan and. Now move your finger to point number 7. Pat and Anne ran for the top and the fan. So all of you understood, children, how to read the lesson from left to right. Okay. So all of you understood? Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Okay. Now children, tell me, who is she? Anne. Who is he? Pat. And who is he? Father. Yes. And what father is giving to Pat? Yes. Top. Very good. Father has given top to Pat. And what father has given to Anne? Yes. What is this? Tell me. Fan. Father has given fan to Anne. And they are happy now because their father has given gift. So now after taking gifts, what you are going to say? Yes, thank you. Yes, you are going to say thank you to father. Okay. So all of you understood? Yes? Okay. Now children, let's have a recap. Okay. Now, question number 1. Who has a top for Pat? Yes, tell me. Who has a top for Pat? Yes, father has a top for Pat. Very good. Question number 2. Who ran for the fan? Who ran? Yes, Anne ran for the fan. Very good. Question number 3. Who has a fan for Anne? Yes, who has a fan for Anne? Father has a fan for Anne. Very good. Now question number 4. Who ran for the top? Yes, Pat ran for the top. Pat ran for the top. Okay. Now children, I am going to show how you are going to read the lesson with the help of the window. Here I am going to show how you are going to read the lesson. Okay children? Children, I hope you all have got your books. Even if you are not having the book, you can ask your mama to write the lesson in one paper or a notebook. See, teacher is also not having the book. Teacher has written the lesson in a paper. Okay children, so like this you can do. This is a window. You have to make this window out of colorful paper or old notebook cover. Children, this window will help you to focus on each and every line. This will help you to read the lesson easily. Okay children? All of you understood? Yes. So now we will start with our reading. Lesson number 2, part 1. So keep your window on lesson number 2, part 1 like this. Gifts for Pat and Anne. Now move your window to point number 1 like this. Here you are not going to say point number. Directly you are going to read the sentence. Come, come, come. Now move your window to point number 2. Come to Mother Pat. Come to Mother Ann. Pat ran to Mother. Ann ran to Mother. Mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a coat for Ann. Thank you, Mother, for the top. Thank you, Mother, for the coat. Now lesson number 2, part 2. Mother has a rod for Pat. Thank you, Mother, for the rod. Pat showed the rod to Ann. Mother has not a rod for Ann. Mother has a pad for Ann. Thank you, Mother, for the pad. Ann will show the pad to Pat. Now lesson number 2, part 3. Father has a top for Pat. Father has a fan for Ann. Father and Mother show the top to Pat. Father and Mother show the fan to Ann. Come for the top, Pat. Come for the fan, Ann. Pat and Ann ran for the top and the fan. So all of you understood? This is your red and blue line book page. Here teacher has written dictation words. Okay. So here children, you are going to write the date. Okay. In the dash you are going to write the date and month, then year. Okay. Understood? Now lesson number 2, part 3, dictation words. Okay. So once again we are going to say the words. P-A-T, pat. A-N-N, Ann. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. H-A-S, has. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. S-H-O-W, show. F-O-R, for. T-O-P, top. R-A-N, ran. C-O-M-E, come. F-A-N, fan. T-H-E, the. A-N-D, and. So children, you are going to practice these words at home. And you are going to practice reading lesson number 2, part 3 also. Okay children? Yes? Okay. Thank you children. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session. Bye.